Okay, now we're gonna apply this relaxer, the step number 1, in our eyebrows. Start from the thickest part, and we're gonna move forward our tail. Okay, our arch first. I'm gonna try to apply evenly as we can. Hey Google, set a 6-minute timer. Okay, now we're gonna do the styling with this lamination brush. And we're gonna style it how we want it to be while it relaxes. Oh my god, my hairs are so long. Okay, now we're gonna apply the neutralizer. This is step number 2. Okay, ready? We're gonna apply step number 2, and this is the neutralizer. And we're gonna apply it evenly in our eyebrows. Hey Google, set a 6-minute alarm. Okay guys, so this is how they're gonna look supposedly, and I'm gonna wipe it off. Okay, ready for third step. We're gonna apply this conditioner evenly, the same step as all the other 2. Hey Google, set a 6-minute timer. Time to wipe it off. Okay guys, so these are my new brows. What do you think? They definitely look brushed, volumized, conditioned. They really look different. I definitely was not very aggressive with brushing them up, so I don't know, maybe each person does their own style, how they like it, and I like mine like this. And remember that brows are not sisters, they're cousins.